Unconditioned reflexes are an automatic response of an organism to stimuli regardless of conditions of their appearance. They have a most important protecting function, providing organism survival. The second-class biosafety cabinets provide personnel, product and environment protection inherent in work with airborne pathogenic agents and microorganisms. Microorganisms cannot move themselves, but if they join a dust or moist particle, they can move in the air, threatening to contaminate all living beings on Earth. HEPA filters installed in the cabinet effectively retain mechanical particles with deposited on them pathogens, preventing their release into the environment. But you cannot use filters everywhere. For example, you cannot use a filter in the front cabinet opening, as it is through it the personnel provide working inside the cabinet, and it is the place where hazardous pathogens, if they appear in the working chamber, can leak into the environment. An air curtain can be the answer to this problem. It is formed by the airflow forced in by a fan through the front opening into the front air grill. The velocity of the airflow should be constant, and there shouldn't be any barriers which can break the integrity of the airflow. Constant velocity and integrity of the airflow can only guarantee that the air curtain provides an effective personnel protection. On the other hand, such protection has a disadvantage. You cannot see the air, so you cannot indicate any deviations in integrity or air velocity without special tools. To solve the problem, biosafety cabinets should have audio-visual warning system. And the more perfect the system is, the faster and more effective it works. The more reliable is the personnel and environment protection which the cabinet ensures. Creating the new generation of microbiological safety cabinets, the specialists of LEM Systems CC have brought the warning system response to the reflex level. Similar to the unconditioned reflexes animals have, the cabinet audio-visual warning system reacts automatically to any changes that can reduce the protective properties of the cabinet. We have already mentioned about the air curtain in the front walking opening, which ensures the personnel protection under the specified air velocity and integrity. The cabinet safety regulations appeal to the personnel to keep their arms while walking so that not to block the front air grill and not to break the air curtain integrity. If the personnel use a special armrest, it certainly makes their work easier, but they still should control the condition of the front air grill for the whole period of operation. Assume that the operator, deep in work, doesn't notice that the air grill is covered with something, his sleeve, napkin or package, it doesn't matter. The main thing is the result, the protection is broken. The cabinet has an audio-visual alarm system with an immediate response to the accidental coverage of the front air grill, and it will warn the operator of danger in due time. Let's carry out an experiment. Cover the perforation with a sheet of paper, and in 5 seconds you'll hear an alarm sound, which will become louder and louder, and see a red flashing light. Besides, on the display you will see a warning message, "Blocked cabinet air grill." This is a call to the operator's action, unblock the air grill. Audio-visual warning system Reflex LS is designed by the specialists of LEM Systems CC and only used in the new generation of LEM Systems cabinets.